Hi, this is Kelly from the Window Design Center, and today we're going to be talking about window maintenance. It's pretty simple. Keep it clean. And how you do that on a window is double hung windows can be tilted in for easy cleaning. So keep the window glass clean inside and out. Don't use anything sharp on the window like a razor blade or razor knife to take off any sap or dirt. If you score the glass, that will probably void your window warranty. So keep that all clean. Make sure that your weather stripping is in good condition and also clean. That can just be wiped off with a damp cloth. And if you do see that there are any tears or gaps or cracks in your weather stripping, make sure that you contact us to get new weather stripping for your windows. The other thing you want to do is take your screens out seasonally. So you can just release the screen pins, bring the screen in, and store it somewhere else. The reason you want to do that is if you get snow and ice clotted in your screen mesh material, it will sag or tear. For other maintenance tips, contact us at the Window Design Center.